Paying in installments on short hair is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay on installments on shopping. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, what you have to do is you just have to shop online at a participating store and add the items to your cart. Now you just have to go to any of the store which accept shop pay as a payment method. Now you just have to select any of the product that you want to buy and simply go to checkout. Once you are ready to make a purchase, you just have to go to the payment method and select show pay as your payment method. Now after selecting the shop there, you will be able to select how you want to pay. You just have select the installments how you want to pay. After selecting the installment, you just have to turn the plan details. Just review the details and afterwards just complete the necessary information, and there you go, your application or purchase will be submitted. Now it's up to them if they accept it. If they accepted, your will be successfully placed and you will get your product and you can pay for that in installments. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.